Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'm looking for some fresh veggies and fruit.
Sure. What are you after?
I need some apples. Are they fresh?
Yep, fresh and crispy. Red or green?
Can I have 2 red apples, please?
Sure. Here you go. Anything else?
Thank you. I need some bananas. Are they local?
Yep, fresh from Queensland.
Can I have 3 bananas, please?
No worries. Here you go. Anything else?
I need avocados. Are they ripe?
Yep, perfect for today.
Can I have 1 avocado, please?
Of course. Here you go. Anything else?
I need strawberries. Are they good for jam?
Yep. Super sweet and juicy.
Great. Can I have 1 kilo of strawberries, please?
Of course. Here you go. Anything else?
I need potatoes. Are they good for roasting?
Yep. Perfect for roasting.
Can I have half a kilo of potatoes, please?
Of course. Here you go. Anything else?
I need carrots. Are they crunchy?
Yep. Super crunchy.
Can I have 400 grams of carrots, please?
Sure. Here you go. Anything else?
I need onions. Are they strong?
Oh yes, they'll make you cry.
Can I have 3 onions, please?
No worries. Here you go. Anything else?
I need tomatoes. Are they juicy?
Yep. Super juicy and full of flavor.
Can I have a kilo of tomatoes, please?
Of course. Here you go. Anything else?
No, thanks. That's all. How much in total?
That's $80, please.
I need a discount. Is there a sale?
These prices are already a bargain.
What if I shop here every day? Discount?
Nice try. But these are already the best prices.
Worth a try. Can I pay by card?
Card is fine. Just tap here.
Thank you.
All done. Want a receipt?
Yes, please. Thank you. Have a nice day.
No worries, have a good one, see you next time.